bafethu niyaphila. Hayi ngila eNewcastle ngalento ye MK Labour Desk ayikonakele bafethu eNewcastle. Telling you ongazi inkampani eNewcastle zisebenzela uhulumeni as a private and almost zonke azicomply. Sesambe inkampani zama security ama cleaner bafowethu hayi bafowethu ngeke ayi condition abantu bakithi abasebenza kuyo and i-condition abasebenza kuyo kuma private companies kodwa asebenzela uhulumeni bafowethu hayi ngeke, it's unacceptable. I'm telling you, it's unacceptable. Hayi bafowethu, it's unacceptable. Uma kuthiwa ikhona lento yama portfolio committees ema-parliament, please ake bahambe baye ey'bhedlela bafike ba-check-e nje ama-security. Ngiyabatshela iscope sabo, bafike ba-check ama-security, bafike ba-check ama-cleaner, ba-check oporter, ba-check ikhishi, bese beyabuza ukuthi bahola malini, bahola nini, ama-late payments akhona. I don't understand really ukuthi simuphi umhlaba la eSouth Africa nje. Really akekho umuntu ongangitshela ukuthi mhlambe nina niya understand abafowethu. No. I-minimum wage bahola abantu into ongayazi nje ukuthi ibizwa ngani, and ama-late payments bakwethu, ama-unfair dismissal, unfair labor practice. Ungamenshina ama-leave abayi, ama-leave-in ko-sick leave abayi. Uma uke waba ku-sick leave kubanjwa imali oyikhava ngey'nsuku eziwu-3 1,000 nento, uye kanye nje ungayanga emsebenzini 1,000 nento, kodwa ngosuku uhola uthi uhola 100 nento. Bafethu, let me tell you something, asikakakhululeki. Mhlawumbe sisheshe sajabula oMandela bephuma ejele, sacabanga ukuthi kusho ukuthi sikhululekile thina abantu abamnyama. Into yami nje ithi mhlambe kwakungcono eqaleni, mangibuka indlela okuyiyo manje ngithi bafowethu kwakungcono eqaleni. Mangibuka uhulumeni yabona lento yama private companies, uma institution ka government nonsense enkulu, nonsense, and it's an abuse. Bafowethu, it's an abuse. These people are making our people slaves in their own country. Ngendlela emangalisayo, abantu bathola ama-millions, baholela abantu ama-peanuts. No bafowethu, this must come to an end. Really, this must come to an end. And umkhonto awukwazi ukuba khona la for no reason. Njengoba sithi umkhonto nje, akusekhona ukuthi ukuba nje umkhonto ngoba sasiswela ama-political parties esasingangena kuwo. Sasiwumkhonto ngoba sasizoshintsha iy'mpilo zabantu, and we want iy'mpilo zabantu to be changed. Noma ngabe kuthiwa ku-affecta muphi umuntu ongumkhonto, but it must be changed iy'mpilo zabantu. Loo nto nje sizele emkhontweni bafowethu, otherwise ngaba sikho la isikhona. Yilokho nje ngikusho ukuthi kusukela bafowethu kuyeke nje lokho kwamazayizayi ke okugcwele lazo wona abusayo ke la eNewcastle, wonke futhi wonke Pakistan, whatever zayizayi here eNewcastle, ama-China ala xhaphaza abantu eNewcastle, namafema angakhokheli, akukho na safety. Abantu abawafa bagqoka into ongayazi emsebenzini. Then you think ukuthi kusho ukuthi sise ubandlululo lolu, it was just a color, but lolu bandlululo ukuthi abantu bangabi nalutho emhlabeni walo, hayi bafowethu, it's more than ubandlululo lamabhulu. I'm telling you, ANC, you destroy our people. Mandla.